Hi, my name's Carla Snyder, and today we're going to explore how quick and easy it is to get a delicious, healthy meal on the table using Heinen's Meal in a Flash chart. Today we're going to start off with some little salmon cakes that have been cooked up and made available for you in the gourmet food case. Along with the salmon cakes, we've got some delicious Parmesan roasted carrots. I'm just arranging them on a foil-lined sheet pan. I'm going to pop them in a 400-degree oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. Remove them from the oven, and all that you've got to do now is put them on a plate. One of the things that I really love to do with an easy meal like this is to garnish it with something really simple and delicious, like the Heinen Sriracha Green Dragon Sauce. If you want to amp it up and make it just a little bit more exciting, all you need is a little squirt of the sriracha, and dinner is served. And remember, with a little help from Heinen's, home is where delicious happens.